Good morning, college. Nice to meet you. Today is my first day of work, and I want to get along with aviation. My full name is Benjamin Ronaldo Magaño Cáceres. I am 24 years old. I am Peruvian. I was born in the city of Arequipa, district of José Luis Bustamante and Rivero. I live I live alone. My favorite food is chicken chili. I listen to all kinds of music. Book what I like the month or ballad. In my free time, I like to play sport like basketball, and I love to play soccer. Book I don't like to play volleyball. Owls usually play the guitar and read secretly books. Thank you. Bye.